Flag Day.
All right,
Okay.
here we go.
Okay. Yeah. Hey, sisters, brothers, and others. It's me, Miss Clover Court, and I'm getting ready to show you this tent. This is a 6x6. You know, I had a 12x12 that was kind of hard to push up and put down. And this is not like that little round one, which took me forever. That's supposed to have been a 3-second tent that took me over 15 minutes to set up. Well, my friend here is going to film me with this new one, and it's a 6x6. And I just opened it up. I haven't even unzipped it, so I'm going to unzip it for you and show you how easy this is to put up. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so unzip it. And by the way, today is July 4th, 2026. And here it is. Okay. So I don't know if anybody's doing a countdown on this, but
5, 4.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take it all out right here. And I'm not gonna put the side walls up because that's, maybe I'll put one up, it just depends. If my friend over there gets tired of me running my mouth. And I'm not gonna stake it down. And I've not put one up where I didn't have to stake it down, but I'm not staking this down. I'm just gonna show you the skinny on it, all right? Okay, so, and these are my side walls right there. The only thing that I have to install really is these two. It stabilizes the tent door. Okay, you got this, friend?
Got it.
Alrighty,
We're
gonna do
good.
this, right?
We're good.
I want all you folks to go on there and give me a like for this, all right?
Right.
If you see this video, please give me a like. Alrighty. So we have here. You see, I've never used it, never taken it out of the bag. 2 of these. Okay. Simple, plain and simple. This fits in here like this. I'm gonna just lay it right there. There's the other one. Just for the door. Okay. And I'm gonna do like this. Make it look like an umbrella. Pull them all out. And I'm gonna go in here. Can you see this? Can you see this? I'm gonna pull this. I'm gonna pull this up. See if I can get it up. And like I said, usually I stake it down, but I'm not staking it down, so I'm gonna try it. It should be a lot easier though than that 12x12 one. This is not gonna be like that one that I asked, if she asked that I need some help.
Just let me know when you need some help.
Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try it. Well, I need some help.
Okay.
Excuse me. I can do it. I can
Here
do
we
it.
got.
Come on.
Here we
Come
got
on,
help
Ernest.
in the
Come on,
audience.
Ernest. Okay, let me tell you what you gotta do. Okay, so
Let me do it this way. Can I do it this way?
no, you can't do it that way.
Oh, can I just pull it up?
Okay, fine. I'm gonna go inside. There we go.
Woo!
My man. Okay, I can pull this. I gotta pull this outside. I gotta pull it outside.
Okay, I'm sorry.
From the outside.
Okay, let me pull this out. Go back. Walk backwards. Walk backwards. Walk back.
I'm walking.
Okay, so pull this up. There we go. Hey. Yeah. Just step on the bottom.
Okay.
So don't move.
Oh, on this one here?
That's right there.
Okay.
There you go. Woo! How about that?
Okay, now I'm gonna make
Nice.
it grand exit.
Yeah, make it right now.
Look.
Okay. Thank you very much. Senior camper here.
There you go. Right there and all.
Yeah. Okay, so now how easy was that?
That
And,
was good.
and really, if you have it staked down in 2 spots, it goes up pretty easy, as you can see.
How much did that cost?
But okay, and I'm gonna move these out the way, and actually I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna turn it around.
How much does it cost?
This costs $103.
Oh, man.
Cheap,
Is that
worth
Amazon?
every nickel.
Really?
Worth every nickel. The one that I have, that's 12x12, cost me almost $300.
What?
Okay, so this is worth every nickel. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna I'm gonna try to turn around so my friend over here who's recording can see. Okay? This ain't like the old time ones where you have to get all your little things. And you put it in. This right here. Okay, but I'm just gonna do this. How about this?
Okay.
I'm gonna open this up like this so that you can see. And it's got a little. Oh, that's not it. It's got a little thing that you stick this in. Stick this pole in, and this thing right here is just to stabilize the door. Okay? So put it in like that. Goes back like this. And you just put it in this little pocket right here. Okay? Put it back a little bit. Come on. The pocket is kind of small, y'all. That's the hardest part about it. There you go. There's got one in there. Now, y'all keeping track of this? All right. Now, I want to see some likes for this doggone video. You see me sweating out here? It's the 4th of July. I shouldn't be out here trying to do this, but I'm doing it for you. Okay? So, and I got this from Temu. You know who Temu is? Yes. I got this from Temu. So let me see. Let me see if I can get this little pocket open right here. Okay. Yep. So my audience is out there and they're talking about this. And you know what? I need my glasses on, y'all, because I can't hardly see the little pocket right here because it's black. But anyway. Okay, thank you. That's what my friend right there who's videoing, Nancy, she would say, "How you doing? You need some help?" No? Okay, I'll tell you what. We're gonna just sit that right there. And we're gonna just show you, okay, what we got going on here. You see Miss Nancy right there? You see I didn't put it in the little thing right there? If you go in there, come on. Look. Okay. See, look at this. Right over here.
Yeah.
You see that one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tie it right here so it don't get loose.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay. So that way. But you know, it would have taken 5 minutes if my senior citizen guy over there helped me. He had to, he came in. He kind of pulled it up.
He's too expensive.
Yeah, he's kind of expensive. He wanted me to pay him for doing this.
Oh, you want me to come and help?
No. Nope. Don't need no help.
Cheap later.
No, you just reply and give me a like on this. Cause I'm sweating because it's 4th of July. Okay? And I'm out here doing it for you. Okay? So there you go. And let me just show you now how to put the side panels on. Okay. So you just kind of do like this. This is real complicated.
Velcro.
Okay. We'll do it on this side or the other side. Go on the other side.
Whatever you pick.
Okay.
You got 4 times.
So, take this Velcro. You lift this little thing up here like this, and you do like this.
You might not keep there.
Oh, I got it wrong. Okay, and you just put the whole thing up here like this. Okay. So this is all Velcroed up here,
Oh, you
and I
got
got it crooked.
turned the
I got
wrong
it crooked.
way.
You know why? Because this is my first time doing this one, but it's just like the other one. But there's a window. See that window right there? You see that window?
Yep.
See that window?
Yep.
Okay, so I have to make sure that the window is not pointed up or down.
Right.
I gotta make sure it's pointed
You got it now.
Okay, so we gotta make sure that the window's
There you
down.
go.
And I didn't have, so now I start to. Okay, let's stop running your mouth, Nancy, so I can get this done. Okay, dude, here we go. And on this side, you can't see it. You gotta wanna stand up and come look at this. Let me show you this. Let me show you, because you're gonna think that I did some magic on this. Come here, I wanna show you. Let me show you. Okay, so, you see this right here? You see this hole? Here. Come here. You see that hole right there? Guess what? this right here goes through.
Right, right.
How about that? Okay, and you know what you do with that? You tie a string on your stake it.
Oh.
And guess what? There's some string in there. We ain't doing all that today. Okay? And you just do this. And there's, you want to see it?
Yeah.
Want to see it? Okay. Yeah, so you can
Should
roll
fold
this,
it up
roll
to
it.
the,
Yeah.
should be able to fold up to the
Yeah.
top there.
Yeah. So here's the other one. This is the front door. Okay? And this front door goes where? Right here. And it's got a zipper. Okay?
So I guess this is the back
And you
door.
do like this. Would you like to help? Okay, yeah.
She found some old people.
Lots of seniors to help.
Look at it, all these lovely senior people. Yeah.
Well, let's see. Red shirt's not a senior.
Well, the one on the red, she ain't no senior. But I treat her like a senior anyway, because I get more work out of seniors than I do young people. You know? Okay, so it needs to go down like that. Okay, so then what you do, okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's what you want to roll it up. Okay, and here is the zipper. Okay, okay. So, if you want to get all the breeze and stuff, you take this thing right here, and there's a little thing on the thing, just like that, and you roll it up, and that way you can get all the breeze from. Oh, look at there, that senior, he back there, he's doing the other one. Man, I tell you, yeah, you see, yeah, these seniors are helping out, you know, but they're not gonna be there when I go camping out here. I'm gonna try to get them to go, but you know, but if you bring your mom and dad, your grandpa, maybe they want to do this. But as you can see, it's no, I mean, it don't take a lot of energy. Just where's the other one?
Oh, that's why it had two. Oh.
Yeah, well, anyway. Yeah, there you go. So this is, yeah, see this? There you go. And that's the whole thing. And see, if you stake it, you guys understand.
When you gotta go like this.
Yeah, yeah. You see that? And there you go.
Nice.
Can you
What-
give my guest, I want to give you a hand. You're done good. You're done good.
What's the size of that
This
one?
is a 6x6. The other one is a 12x12. You know, and this is just the size that I need because I can put a table in there, you know, and I can put my stove in there if it's raining because that's what we did when we had the 12x12. We put it over a picnic table and we put everything on a picnic table and it was raining cats and dogs and we just sat in there and painted rocks. Okay, so yeah. So anyway, I just wanted to say thanks, sisters, brothers, and all others for watching my video. Please don't forget to give me a like or 2 likes. Or if you watch it 3 times, give me 3 likes, okay? All right. Yeah, but please subscribe, okay? And Miss Clover Court, okay? That's who I am, okay? I need your help now. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Happy 4th of July. Take care, sisters, brothers, and all others.
Walk over to the grill. Walk over to the grill.
Oh. 4th of July. 4th of July. Let it grill. Let it grill. And there's another grill over here.
You know, you have to say, I'm getting ready to put some dogs.
Look at that, look at that. And this dog right here, he's just a guest. I'm the guest here too.
And there's the audience.
Yeah. And look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. That's the audience right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, see it says USA. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, yeah.
And there's my photographer there. Nancy.
Back
You
here.
know, yeah. Be kind, remember.
Be
Her
kind.
thing is be kind, okay?
All right.
Take care, sisters, brothers. and all
Adios.
others.
That's right.
All right.